Hello and welcome. In this video we will talk about how we can download Cisco CUCM, and if you do not have the rights to download Cisco CUCM, we will just go and ask for a demo. So this is a very important video for our fellow CUCM aspirants because I get a lot of questions related with my CUCM course, how they can download it, how they can download CUCM to their computer, and how they can practice with it. If they want to download CUCM, this is the right way to do. I cannot talk about illegal ways. Of course, there are many illegal ways, but this is the right way to do it. So we will just go and then we will click on this icon and we will log in. In here, Cisco will ask for your username and password. So let me just quickly enter them. So after I log into www.cisco.com, you will just go and see software downloads in here. When you click on software downloads, you will see your software download page. And on here, you can just write the product here. But what I choose is I browse all, and under here, I just go to Unified Communications. And under Unified Communications, I go to Call Control for CUCM, and under Call Control you will go and click Unified Communications Manager. Here you can choose any version you want. The most stable one according to me is 11.5, so I strongly suggest you to use 11.5 for the better working and most stable version. You can go to 12.5 for some added software updates, for added features, but they're not so big or so life-changing, so you can always go with 11.5. And on here, this is a mess, and I really don't like it, but I can only find my way after clicking all those buttons once when I was using it, but now I know where to go, so I will just go with Cisco Interconnection updates. The others are simple utilities and local installer, which is related with your languages. You can also click on virtual machine templates, and you can see the virtual machine templates for 11.5. This will be efficient if you are going with virtual machine installation, and most of you will go with the same path. After downloading this one, this 0.2 megabyte file, you can go back and add UCM, Unified Communications Manager, and Cisco Unity Connection Updates. After clicking here, you will see two different options. One is US export restricted. You don't have to care about this one. This one is unrestricted, and you can go and either add it to your chart or you can go and download it. So I have the rights to download it, but what will happen if you don't have an account that will not let you download it? You will see an error like this. So let me just enter it with another profile so you can see the error. So let me just quickly pause the video. So if you don't have a service contract, which is like guarantee, or which is your Cisco's contract or service to be able to download updates, you need to have the service contract on your profile or on your company's profile so that you will be able to download those softwares legally. If you don't have that, no worries, you can just go and ask for a demo. So this is where you can do it. Let me just quickly log in back to my account. So when you go and log into your account on cisco.com, and when you copy paste this link, which I will share in the description, just with the Udemy link, and you will see that if you use this one, if you use this link, you will see all your licenses with your name on it. And when you go and want to get a demo license, you will just go to your licenses, and under here you will get a license and you will choose demo and evaluation license. And on here you will choose Unified Communications Products. Under Unified Communications Products, you will go and select Unified Communications for COVID-19, because Cisco just gives you an extended period of licensing just because COVID-19. You will not get only a 60 days license, but you will get a better license, a longer license for your demo purpose. And on here, you can go and click on next, and you will see that its duration is 90 days. You can choose the version. I will choose 11.x, and in here I will enter my device license request, which is DLR. And DLR, you can get it from your CUCM, but you should be aware that this is just for the license, and because you will need license for specific features, and you will enter the amount of license that you will need. Let's say 10, no problem, it's just a demo lab, and you will enter your DLR here. To get the software, you need to ask your local representative, local Cisco representative, and they will be gladly give you or publish you the CUCM software. But again, you will need this license on your CUCM so that you will be able to get it and install it and upload it to your virtual machine environment. Whichever country you are living in, it doesn't matter. You can just ask your local reseller, local Cisco reseller, or your local Cisco account manager for a demo software, and they will gladly publish it with you. But other than that, all the other methods will be just illegal, so I will not be able to describe it even under my course or any medium, because I don't want to be in legal trouble with Cisco. So as an answer to your questions, if you have the service contract on your account, you can download it from cisco.com, and this is that was the path that you could use to download it. But if you don't have the service contract under your profile, you can just ask for a demo software from your local Cisco reseller or local Cisco account manager representative, and then you can come back here and get your demo or evaluation license. I hope this has been beneficial for you. Thank you for watching.